Now I'm going to show you how to apply for a New Zealand qualifications assessment. So first up, I went on Google and then I look up get qualifications assist NZ. It will take you to this page and you can see apply for an international qualification assessment, IQA. Click on that. Scroll down. It will tell you what you need to apply for it. Number 2 down here tells you what documents you will need. Your passport biodata page, evidence of name change, that is if you've had your name changed, if you're married or something. You have the award certificate, so that's your diploma, transcript or academic record from your university. You can also attach your work history that is relevant to make your application stronger, and so NZQA doesn't keep going back and forth asking you for more documents. If your documents are in foreign language, I mean not in English, you might have to get that translated. And another thing that you need to know is before you submit your documents, because you're going to be submitting it online, you'll have to go to, in New Zealand, you have to go to a JP, which is Justice of the Peace, to get your documents certified. So what they do is they look at the original copy and then they look at the photocopy, they stamp the photocopy and sign it that they've verified that it's a legitimate copy of the original. And down here you can see fees and payment. And you can apply through the online application portal. Okay, in a minute I'll show you what it's going to look like when your document is certified by a JP. So I'm going to get out of here and go into, oh, it's actually not my drive. All right, so here we are. These are the documents I submitted to NZQA back when I applied for it. So transcript of records, certificates from before when I qualified to teach TEFL, so teaching English as a foreign language, my teacher's license, my passport, certificate of employment, board exam result, my diploma, and then the assessment over here, that's assessment result, that's when I got the result back. But I'll show you what it looks like when the JP or the lawyer has seen your the original copy of your documents, and then they sign the when they sign the photocopy. So over here, that's where they signed it and the date that it says over here, certified original cited, and that this is a photocopy of the original. And they put their registration number over here.